Okay, welcome back, you fabulous fourth graders. It is time for concept development problem number 2. We're going to get right on that one. It's 8 minutes of time. We're going to try to get through this. So it says decompose numbers from 1,000 and 1 million into smaller units to subtract model with place value disk. So kind of tricky here with what we're going to be doing, and you'll see why. So let's first put the tape diagram out. Go ahead, you're a copycat, so you're writing along with us, with me. And this is going to represent 1,000. That's the whole. And the part, a little more than half, is 525. And this is what we don't know. Dun, 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 dun. Now, let's do the problem vertically, not horizontally. Look at that. All sorts of zeros. How are we going to handle that? Well, I'm going to show you, and you're going to work along with me using the fabulous place value chart. We only need 4 columns, right? Ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Okay, we only have, what do we have? We have 1,000. Da, 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 da. That's it. What do we do? Well, we're going to have to start decomposing, because you can't take 5 ones away from 0 ones, 2 tens away from 0 tens, and 5 hundreds away from 0 hundreds. So let's start decomposing. I'm going to start with the hundreds. So this 1,000 is going to go bye-bye, and we're going to put 10 hundreds here. See where this is going? I hope so. So this 1 goes goodbye, and now we have 10 hundreds, okay? But look what's going on in the tens columns. We got 2, we can't take 2 tens away from 0 tens, so time to decompose 100 into 10 tens, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But now you'll see we only have 9 hundreds, okay? Cross one out because we gave one of our hundreds to the tens column. Well, tens column has to help out the ones column here. So we're going to go ahead and give the ones column 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we can see that the tens column, at first it became a 10, right? But then when it realized we had to decompose further, it became a 9, or a 90 in this case. Now, we get to the ones column, and it remains a 10, all right? So let's subtract now. 10 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 9 now. We only have 9 minus 2. 1, 2. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 9 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many do we have left? 4. And there's our answer, 475. Don't believe me? Let's add it up. We'll say 525, the part, plus the missing part. 5 plus 5 is 10. 7 plus 2 is 8, 9, 10. 5 plus 4 is 9, plus 1 is 10. And there we have it, our original 1,000. Now for the next one, we're going to get really tricky. And, oops. I'm going to have to do this on the horizontal, I believe, and zoom out a little bit. There we go. All right, we're going to do a big problem now. Lots of zeros, okay? So I'm going to make a tape diagram. And this tape diagram represents 1 million. 3, 6 zeros and a 1. Okay? Ones, thousands, millions. All right, so now let's do our part. Our part, oops, is 345,528. So you're copycatting this down. Here's our unknown. We don't know what that is. So we need to do the math, okay? Let's get started. Excuse me. 1 million less 345,000 See how important it is to keep everything in a place value like that? Okay, so we're set to do this problem. Mr. Leggett's going to get another piece of paper because I really want to show you this. Okay? My hand in there, good. Okay, so let's make a place value chart all the way up to a million. See why I wanted to be on the horizontal? Millions, hundred thousands, 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. Ones, 10, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million. And we have 1 million. That's it. But if we look at our problem, and I'll go ahead and write it down here too. Why not? 1 million, that's what this represents right now. There's just 1 million minus 345,528. Look at all those zeros. Let's get started. We got to decompose the million. It's gone. So the million's going to become 10 hundred thousands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See where this is going? Let's keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cross one out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cross one out of the hundreds and into the tens. I forgot my little arrow. Cross one out and we give it 10 ones. Now we can visually see what's what, right? This became 10, but then it had to become a 9. This became 10, but it had to become a 9. This became 10, but we made it a 9 when we decomposed. Same thing all the way down except till we get to the ones column, which will remain a 10. Look at that. So now it's 999,900 and actually be 1 million basically because that's another 100 there. We won't go there. Just forget I ever said anything. This is what we have. So 10 minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2. Excuse me. 9 minus 2. Well, we already did the 9 here. 1, 2. What are we left with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 9 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're left with 4. 9 minus, what column are we in? We're in the thousands column. 9 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have 4. 9 minus 4 in the 10,000s column. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're left with 5. 9 minus 3. 1, 2, 3. We're left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And our answer is 654,472. Let's check that. Whoops, I didn't even look at this. Mr. Legge got sloppy. We got how many here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 654,472, and we're adding 345,528. And watch the math magic in motion. 2 plus 8, 10. 7 plus 2 plus 1, 10. 5 plus 4 plus 1, 10. 5 plus 4 plus 1 in the thousands column, 10. 5 10,000s plus 4 10,000s plus 1 10,000, 10. 600,000 plus 300,000 plus 100,000, 10. Voila, 1 million. All right, go take a little break, then come on back for our big word problem and special guest.